Hey guys, welcome back to another App Inventor video. We are going to be doing part 2 of how to make a drawing app. So let's just head on over to our app. Okay, so let's go ahead, open up our drawing app. And now let's head on over to the blocks. So in the blocks is right up here. So in this video, we are going to be covering the coding for this. All we're going to do is we're going to start by going into the canvas, and we're going to drag out when canvas dragged do. And we're also going to go back into canvas, and you're going to head on down to call canvas draw line, and you're going to drag that right inside here. So what this is saying is when a canvas drag do. So when your finger drags inside the canvas, it's going to do something. So we need to tell it to draw the line, but we need to tell it all the X and Y coordinates. So you're going to hover your mouse over prev X, and you're going to drag into X1, and same with XY. So this is where your line started, and now we're going to do where your finger is currently. Same thing with the X, put that into X2, and then we're going to do Y2. So now you should be able to drag your finger on the canvas and it will start painting. But now we're going to need a way for you to select your color. So this is going to be extremely simple. All you're going to have to do is you're going to click on your red button, when red dot click do, and let's drag out, and we're gonna need something that will set the color. So let's go to canvas, and we're gonna go all the way down to set canvas paint color to. Let's drag that out into here, and we're gonna now go into our red button again, and we are going to drag this command out and change this to background color. So what it's saying is when the red button is clicked, we are setting the paint color to the background color of the button. And in this case, that is red, as we set it to. So let's go ahead and duplicate this. And let me change this to blue. I'll change this to blue too. And green, and same with this one. So now that that is all finished, we now have all of our colors set. So making the canvas code is actually extremely simple. So now that we got all of this done, we can go ahead and test out our canvas. So when you test it out, you should see that all the buttons are currently working. So now we're going to need to go to the clear button, and when the clear button is clicked, we're going to go down to canvas, and we are going to do canvas call canvas.clear. So we have just got all of our buttons done. So that is actually really all that you need to do. So that's really all you need to do, but we are going to add one more feature in, which is something when you click on it, it will make a dot. So you're going to go over to canvas, and we are going to, let me see. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is when canvas dot touched, and we are going to drag this down, and it's going to be extremely simple. We're going to go back to canvas, and we are going to go up to draw circle. And you're going to drag that down. You're going to put your mouse over the X, get X, and same with the Y. And radius is how big you want your circle to be. So all you have to do to adjust that is go to math, and let's go up here, getting up this. And I want the radius of it to be, let's do 50. So now that's that done, you can select if you want to fill the circle or not. I do want to fill the circle, so I'm going to leave that as true. So now that we got all of this done, we are actually already done with the canvas's code, and that actually makes pretty much everything done. So I am going to tell you how to connect this to your device. All you're going to have to do is up here, there's something that says connect, and then it's going to pop down a menu, and you're going to click on AI Companion. And with your Android, you are going to open up the appinventor 2 app, and you're going to click scan QR code and take a photo of the QR code on your computer. So that's really all you need to do to make the drawing app. The drawing app is super simple to do. So make sure you leave a like on this video. If you really liked it, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Okay, so before I go, we forgot to do one thing. We still need to make the line size on it. I completely forgot about that. So let's really quickly do that. So before we can do that, we're gonna have to go back over to Designer, and we are actually going to have to make a submit button by our line size. How you do that is, let's just drag out a button and let's drag it right underneath this line size. And I will drag it right underneath here. So I'm just going to change this to a done button. And I'm going to rename it saying done. So now when we go over to our code, since we did do that extra step of renaming it, we will have a done button. So we are going to drag out one button done dot click do, and we are going to head over to Canvas, and this is an extra simple command. All we're gonna have to do is we're gonna drag out a set canvas command, and we're gonna change this to, let me see, what should we change it to? Well, there is line width, we have visible, text alignment, paint color, line width, height, percentage, height, font. We have all of these, but it's mainly gonna be line width. And all we're gonna have to do now is let's head on over to our slider, and we are gonna drag out slider, and we're gonna change this to position. And as you can see, it is working. So thank you guys, bye. Remember to subscribe, like I said 2 minutes ago, and I will see you guys in the next video.